how to turn off alarm on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the ways to turn off the alarm on Android is you can just go to the settings application on your device and then scroll down to sound and vibration. So tap on it, and then here you can see the alarm option. So just make sure to get it to the minimum volume over here. So this will turn off the alarm volume. Next, what you can do is simply go back and then tap on the tools and then tap on clock option. So here you'll be able to see your alarm option. So what you can do is simply toggle off the alarm for the time that you want to turn it off for. So I'm going to turn it off for 5 a.m. and here you can see you'll be able to see two options: turn off once or turn off this repeating alarm. So I'm going to tap on turn off this repeating alarm and then you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.